So basic operator training for the camera, powering the camera on. It will come on when you plug it in and apply power. So once we plug it in, you should see a green light come on the screen, might hear some beeps. Your stack light should come on, and your camera will start powering up. So it takes it a little bit to start up, but it is a normal Windows PC, so you should get your Windows logo and a line that will start up. There is no login, it will automatically log in. And then it should also automatically start the Highmark DataPro light system. Now in the background, as this software starts up, the PLC is also turning on, which is controlling the camera. So the camera itself, you will probably see some flashes of light. Your blue X trigger or X hair to show where the camera's going, that will come on and off at different point in times. There is a chance as the DataPro software is starting, if it starts up faster than the PLC and or the camera, it will give you an error that will say cannot connect to the PLC. If that happens, you will clear the air out and the software will close. Let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you can just double tap on the software on the side there. Again, it's called the Highmark DataPro Lite, and it will restart the software, and that should connect as long as there are not any actual connection problems. Did it beep at us? No. So I was getting a phone call, which is why it was in my ear. But so now that the software is started, it'll say no product selected, teach required. So right now we have a green button that says enabled, meaning it's ready to go. We just need to teach. If we want to pause it, we can hit press to disable. Goes red. Our stack light also goes red. It will not do anything scan wise, let you know you're not using the system. So we want to use it. We will hit press to enable, and then we will hit teach. Go to a new screen. We have a drop down menu, which will show the barcodes that we have stored in the system. You will find the barcode that you want, which for the one we're using for this sample is this First Street cinnamon roll. It'll give you a barcode that is what you're supposed to be scanning. We can now hit accept product. It will show our scan target here, triggers, matches, mismatches, and no reads. And again, it's enabled now. It is ready to go. So if we were to have a product go by, when it gets triggered from the applicator, we should then get a picture of what the camera saw. It'll be a green box with a smaller green box on the inside around our barcode. We can see that our scanned value is there, our trigger, our matches. It goes through and something is say blocking it. Now we have two triggers, one match, one no read because we didn't scan anything. We go back to our barcode, it'll be green, it'll scan. Not sure how well this will work, but we scan the wrong barcode. Now you can see it's scanned. We have a green box around the actual barcode, but red around the entire images. System stopped, wrong barcode. Stack light goes red. At this point, product still be going by, but red light, we're not scanning anything. To fix it, check your labels. Make sure, hey, it scanned a wrong barcode. Do I have the correct labels on that we need? If you don't, change your labels out. If you do, find out why it was scanned the wrong barcode. Do we pick the correct item? To go back to how we need to, there is a reset button. We will hit reset. It will go back now to saying our cinnamon rolls that we're running, our target barcode scan. Now if we run again and we reset and we're good to go, we scan again and now we are scanning the correct barcode. If you change to labels that don't have the barcode in the same area as what you needed, that's where you will adjust your actual barcode. So if you can get from here, you can see there is a blue X that's giving you a rough estimate of the target of where your barcode should be. If we go to a different style label that's, let's say, had your barcode on the left side, you will need to physically move your camera, move it over, get it estimated lined up to where your barcode's at, jog your applicator to test and see what your picture looks like and see if you're scanning. Now CTM applicators, they scan while the label is still in motion. So you won't be able to set it up how this is, jog it, your barcode's right here, and we can see that that's where it is. In reality, our X could very well be up higher, because when we get our signal to take our picture, the barcode will be up higher because it's still in motion. So if that's the case and you're scanning in motion, you will need to look at your image on your screen for the actual HMI, and when you jog it, you will see where your image on your picture shows up and adjust your camera accordingly to get your picture to take your camera or take your barcode picture. Once you have it set up though for each type of label, you should know that we can mark on the camera mounting where it goes for certain labels, and then you don't have to do that every time. You'll just have to change it. You should be good to go after that. To shut the system down when you are done, you can just hit exit, goes to a normal Windows screen, hit our start menu, power button, and shut down. You'll get your shutting down screen. Eventually your green light will go off. At this point the computer is shut down. The camera and the stack light are still powered on, so you can go to your power cord, unplug our power cord. Now the entire system is shut down, ready to be turned on for the next day.